sight. Raindrops whisper on the pane. Dreams connect like a data chain. Soft beats echo in the room. Fading stars begin to bloom. Midnight's code we can't erase, floating through this endless space. In the wires we find our grace. Electric dreams can't be replaced. Lost in waves of endless sound. In tranquility we're bound. Binary pulses guide our flight. In this calm we find our light. Circuit hearts and glowing veins. In this peace we break our chains. Silent signals, whispered streams in this digital serene. Pixel pathways, endless roads in this dream, our stories told.